Hey family, hopefully all is well. In this video, I want to show you guys how to copy and paste the trade alerts that Tradera sends us. So as you can see, these are all of the different trade alerts that are sent. And following the same example we had earlier, we're going to focus on AUD USD. Now remember, with every trade alert, you're going to have vital information. It's going to give you the currency pair, which in this scenario, it's AUD USD. It's going to give you the bias, whether for buying the market, whether for selling the market. They're going to give you the execution type, which with all of Tradera alerts that I've seen, their current market price. So when they send the alerts, what they literally want you to do at current market price is enter the market at that price at that time. Now, the next thing that you're going to be given is also our stop loss, which is going to be obviously a risk factor. Now, once you have that stop loss price, all you're going to do is input that information as well as the take profit that's given out. Now, in this scenario, as well as with all of the other trades that are given, you see that there's 3 different take profits. But what you need to understand is when you apply your take profit into your MetaTrader 4, you can only input one price for your take profit. So let's actually go over to our MetaTrader 4. Because the first thing you need to do once you receive the trade alert on your phone, make sure you have the alerts turned on, is identify the currency pair. So since we have AUD USD, we're going to go into that currency pair. We're going to trade it. You're going to notice it's already in market execution. If anyone gave a pending order, what you would do is you would click that, and these are different pending orders. But since Tradera gives current market price, which represents market execution, we'll leave it at that. Now, the next thing, like I said, you're going to identify is obviously your risk. So based off of our risk management, we only recommend 3 to 5% risk per trade. So you don't risk your entire account on just one trade alert. Remember, you're going to take all of the trades. Some are going to win, some are going to lose, but month to month, you're going to see the growth. So make sure that you're using proper risk management. Now, the next thing you're going to notice is a stop loss. So this is where you're going to put in the information from the trade alert that we got. So it'll be 0.63688. 0.63688. And like I was showing you guys, you're going to have 3 different take profits. Now, the reason that they give you 3 is because as you're buying this market, those are going to be the 3 levels they're going to look to take their profits out. So what I like to personally do, and this is just my recommendation from what I've also heard of other leaders, is to put take profit 2 and also set an alert as take profit 1. Later on, we'll go over what that means. But regardless, what you're going to do is in the take profit area, you're going to put one of those 3 prices. And all you have to do is either identify take profit 1, take profit 2, or take profit 3. So once you identify the take profit that you're going to put in this market, all you have to do now is press buy. Remember, they said buy the trade on AUD USD at current market price. So we're going to enter the buy, which it's going to allow us now to get into the trade.